Good morning. Ayan, day 4. CJ, kumukuha ng coffee. Mashed potato, pancake, egg, tsaka hotdog. Yung hotdog nila pinrito ngayon, no? Yun kinuha ko. Eh, kami Nutella. Di pa ako kumuha ng salad, kakalagay lang ng salad eh. Cappuccino. Extra shot. Espresso. Eka? Yun na kay CJ. Ayan.
Yes, with my dad.
Nasa border.
Anong sabi mo ka? Yes. Anong sabi ko? Tinawag na si daddy.
May duty free pa dito.
Kasi boses mo.
Ayan, nagko-cross na kami ng from Georgia to Armenia na kami. Natapos na namin yung passport control ng Georgia to Armenia. So, nag-exit kami ng Georgia, nag-stamp ng passport. So, now, papunta na kami ng Armenia. Entry naman to Armenia. Armenia. Passport control. Yan, tapos na kami sa Armenia. Passport control. So, entry namin to ng Armenia. Pinakita namin yung e-visa namin, naka-passport. Okay naman lahat. Success. Ayan. Putting back our luggage. Natapos na kami dun sa may passport control ng pa-Armenia. Naghintay pa kami dun kasi yung driver namin kailangan kumuha ng insurance. Ngayon nandito kami sa may exchange. So, nagpalit kami ng dollars to Armenia money. Armenian dram. Tapos ito, bibili kami ng SIM card. Yan.
So, this is a Hagpat Monastery.
Hagpat Monastery.
10th to 13th centuries. Actually, it's the
Hagpat
largest monastery complex in Armenia. There.
St. Gregor's Church.
White things are natural salts because these blocks are made by the pig. When it gets wet, it has a natural salt on it. That's why
Very old. Yeah. Very church.
Church which was remember that. So if you don't want to keep the cost, can we step on it?
Largest monastery. Why? Pwede ba yun? Wait. Yeah, it's so cool. Dito okay. Lagyan ng wines. Nice view.
I'm working with papers. What do you expect from me?
You know how?
Sometimes even they have.
No, only the.
Ganda oh. Ganyan siya. Nice.
It was
Sa
burned down
Nahing
several
Bridge.
times. It was destroyed by the earthquake several times. The last one, Red was in 1970. So this one, and
Cable car and bridge. Ah, sorry, and stairs. May church dun, no?
this river is it's coming from Turkey.
The one with the window. This one with the trees.
The cave can.
Very difficult, maybe.
Men's? This one? Men's?
Yeah, something like that.
Alt men's. Something like that. The name. And we need to pay. Yeah, entering the cave. It's wet. Inside the cave is wet. They already added something here inside? Or this is the original? Ah, the lights only.
Yeah, we were getting baptized. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my god. It's nice.
Sorry, Sophie.
I'm not so
Stones.
This is Georgian wine. What?
It's here.
They just borrowed.
Yeah, to take photo maybe. That's one. Mai?
OMG. Laki no hatitay ha.
But it's dark. Ayan, hindi na kami pumasok dun sa dulo-dulo kasi ang dilim niya.
I don't know if you have a fear of the height.
Graveyard.
It's old church left behind, which was built in 8th century, and it was made by Georgians. It's still some parts visible, but if you have a fear of the height, it's better to not go there.
Sukat history.
Armin?
Every time he was here.
Where is the church, Nico? So high. Nice.
Can go down there.
May old church din, no? Ayun.
But
Where aren't you?
someone's there. In the cave.
There is a road for climbing actually. There, I've seen lots of groups there.
Yeah,
Like
someone.
yeah.
There are two people down there.
I've seen lots of people with sticks, you know, for climbing. Yeah.
Those are caves. That's my church. Very old church. Very steep. Going up na ulit. Very nice view. Tsaka malamig dito. Nice. Buti walang araw, no? Attention! Ayan. May parang ganyan dyan. Ayan. May mga grave. Sa loob ng church na dark. Ito yung ang labas niya. Ayan. Doon tayo pumasok kanina. Wall of shame. So kapag may ginawa kang hindi maganda, tatayo ka dyan, mag-stand ka dyan. Tapos yung mga tao, shame ka, pupukulin ka, ganyan daw. Nice. Mga kebab.
Dalawang pork barbecue. Isang fish.
Ito? Ito?
Ito, te. Pork barbecue.
Nice din. Sila doon. May supermarket. May desserts na. Doon pa, ang dami pang food doon. Mga pizza sila. Parang karinderya, oh. Mga ulam.
Rice.
Ilang binila?
Tingnan natin. Parang basa.
Yung tanay.
Dalawa.
Dalawa pa. 2 more. Saan tayo upo?
Parang isa lang.
Hindi, si Kim, tsaka si
Basta.
oil yata yun. Yan, kumuha kaming rice. Ba't parang maasim? Ba't parang maasim, bes? Star salad sila, oh. May chicken din, fried chicken. Dami nilang pickled. Ano itong mga to? Mga pickled sila. Tapos ayan, may mga fruits pa dito, parang buffet. Salad? They have Caesar salad also there, Ken. This one, you will get different, huh?
Yeah, this is the 1 gram.
And then there is soda. kids zone. Ganda naman ng view. Ayan, may fresh fruit sila. Ikaw ang pag-aano, juicy. Ayan. Meron din silang mga gelato, ice cream. Tapos, ayan, mga sweets. Marami. Ayan, mga tea. Ice cream daw siya. Daming sweets. Tea kami, binigyan kami ng Coke at saka kape. Ayan ang room namin. Premium Hotel Yerevan. Yan ba yun? Ayan. Ayan yung bed niya. Okay naman. Malinis naman. Walang blanket. Manipis lang yung kumot nila. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung ano to. Anong tawag sa ganito? Yung sofa. Sofa bed. Ayan. Sofa bed. Tapos ayan, may ano. Maligo, ipahinga nyo na yung paa nyo.
Walang upuan eh.
Ayun. Ayun lang.
Paano ito yung upuan eh?
Ginawa ng bed eh.
Hindi, may ano oh.
Huwag nyo nang gulihin. Okay na yan. Ayun.
Rectangle. More 500. Wait po. Wala pa.
Busog na sa tubig.
1 liter ready na.
Nice. Sedap ba?
Game.
Aray ko. Nabubulunan ako.